Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Today is part 2 of the unboxing all of the baby registry boxes. If you missed part 1, I will leave it in the description box down below for you guys. Originally, it was supposed to be one video, but the video was very, very long. It was like 30 something minutes, and that's just not my jam. And so I decided last minute while I was editing to split it up into 2 videos. So this is going to be part 2. We're just going to pick right up where we left off. And like I mentioned, if you haven't seen part 1, go watch it before and then come back to this video. So let's continue on. I will go with this one next. This is the brand Kind. I saw this on a Facebook ad and kind of took a chance with it. The ad shows a free starter kit. So like you clicked on the ad and it says you can add this free starter kit and all you have to do is pay $5.99 in shipping and they send it to you. They told me like what I should be getting, but I don't want to spoil this price, so I will show you. But this is like breast milk storage. So let's open this up. This one I actually am going to keep myself because I knew based off of looking at it and wanting to purchase it that I would keep it. There's some different parts in here. Okay, so the box says it should come with 1 pre-sterilized twist breast milk storage pouch with twisting lock caps. So that's this. This is their storage bag for breast milk. I think that's like the major thing of the company is like breast milk storage bags and like feeding stuff. So that's how like this company. 2 direct pump adapters. Oh, that's right. When I filled this thing out, it has the option to attach, like this is the adapter you would attach to this, and then this directly goes to your breast pump, so you can breast pump directly into these bags, which is pretty cool. They didn't have the breast pump I'm using. That's because I'm using a portable one from LV, but they have all the major like Medela, Amita, Even Flow, Spectra, Advent. They have a bunch of different adapters, which I find to be really cool. Then it comes with 1 squeeze natural feed bottle, which I believe is this. Here is the bottle that you can put the thing in. So it goes, which way does it go? Oh, yep, here's their labeling. So it goes in and then locks in like that. And then you open this up so it makes a bottle for you or the baby to hold, depending on their age. And then here is the little nipple for it. And 1 slow flow active latch nipple with case. Okay, so this is like a little storage case for the nipple for the bottle, which is neat. And then this goes on here and then it makes a bottle. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's what came with it for the $5.99, which I think is a great price for it. It has some directions that I should have read in the first place of how you actually, put it together. See, that's how you would use it with like the breast pump, and it goes in and then you put it in there and put it in there. Then they have like more systems that go along with it that you can purchase. And they also, one thing that struck my fancy was it said in there that you would get a coupon to then get something else, which you'll probably have to pay another set of shipping, but oh well. This says get your first pack of twist pouches for free. So I used this code that they sent, which I won't show you, so you can't use my code, which I'll probably do this before the video comes out. And then I can get 40 of these not reusable, disposable. 40 of those disposable pouches, and it says I get them for free, so that's cool. I think it's nice because, like I said, I want to use the like Haka reusable ones, but I'm gonna hopefully and ideally be pumping a lot as well as breastfeeding, and so it'll be nice to have of these on hand, especially if it's free. So ideally, they should be, once I fill this out, sending me 40 of these little packs. And then I already have the like reusable bottle part and lid that I can combine the 2. So it's like half disposable, half not. And convenient because then I can take these, stick them in the freezer to store. Then when I'm ready to use them, put them in the fridge to let them thaw, and then directly put it in here and not have to make as big of a mess. So I can dig it. Convenience sometimes will be nice, especially with a kid. There's always convenience. Okay, yeah, so that was Kind. All right, and the last box that I have here with me to open is from, I don't want you to see my address. I don't think they have, well, you can kind of see it on there. It's from Babylist. So like I mentioned, Babylist is where I set up my registry. I really like them. They can put, basically it's a Pinterest board for your registry. So for the baby list, I think this was the most steps required. Let me find it. Okay, so for baby list, you have to create a registry. Then you have to add 3 items from the baby list store. So they have their own little like storefront. Then you have to add 3 items from another store, so like Amazon, Target, Walmart, and add it to your list. Then there needs to be a minimum purchase totaling $10 or more from the baby list shop. So it can't be someone buying something from Amazon through baby list for your registry. It has to be directly from their shop, which makes sense. So $10 purchase. Then once that purchase is made by someone or yourself, I did it myself and I bought like a little letterboard. Then you verify your address. You pay $9.95 for tax and shipping, and then wait for it to be delivered. So this was the most expensive of all of them. It was the $10 for shipping. It had, well, I guess newbie box was $10.95, but this one was $10 and you had to make a purchase. So like in that aspect, it's more because you wouldn't necessarily, I put some things from the baby list shop. Obviously you had to put 3, but some of the things were really cute. Most of the things I wouldn't necessarily use or like put on my registry because you could find them other places. But I did like their shop. And so this one was like kind of the most work to get. But it is a pretty substantially heavy box, so we'll see. Like I mentioned, slightly started to open it because I was thinking it would be a box in a box. It was not. Okay, so here's the baby list box. Let's see if I can do this nice. Oh no, I can't. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, probably worth it. Here is an entire 7-ounce can of formula. Okay, just that alone makes up for it. This is Enfamil, colostrum, and breast milk infant formula. Don't know anything about formula, but this will be great to give. Then, ooh, this is cute. What brand is this? No. Boone. Okay, this is a Boone bottle. Boone? Something. A different brand of bottle. Wow, and a Phillips Advent bottle. Okay. Then we have a Chico pacifier. There are some coupons for different websites. What is this? Oh, you know, I wanted to do hypnobirthing, but the class that they were going to offer in my town was going to be the same night as small group, so I couldn't do it. So we're doing the Bradley method. But your free hypnobirthing taster course awaits. Okay, so this is a little coupon for like a trial test of hypnobirthing. Definitely gonna test that out. Another coupon. Sometimes breastfeeding doesn't work out, and that's okay. We got you. Booby. What is this? If I could open it. Oh wow. Hi, we're Booby. 2 free cans for you to have on hand when your baby arrives. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so you can go to their website and there's a feeding magnet on the back. Then you can go to their website, scan this code, and you can get 2 free full-size cans of formula. Wow. Okay, we have a Burt's Bees onesie, and it has a coupon for free $10 when you spend $25 or more from Burt's Bees. Nano Baby, packed directly into your hospital bag. What's inside? Nursing pads, breast milk storage, Flexi pacifier, and a coupon book. Okay, cool. A little sample set from Nano Baby. More Huggies, diapers, and more Honest Company wipes. Let's see, Shutterfly. Oh wow, there is, I don't know if they meant to send the entire stack, but at $25 to shop Shutterfly. Huh. This offer expires May 31st. I don't think they meant to send me an entire packet of it. There's like 50 cards in here. Okay. Yeah. Offer is good for $25 off regular priced order of $25 or more before tax and shipping through Shutterfly. If anybody needs a Shutterfly coupon for the next 4.5 months, hit me up. Oh, good Lord. I could make so many. Oh my gosh. Baby comes in April and I could make stuff for They did not mean to send me all of these, but I shall use them all. Let's see. Yumi. What is... From first bites to first sleep through the nights, we'd love for you to follow along. Congratulations, little one. Use this code for $35 off your purchase. Cool. I'm gonna have to check out their website because I think I've heard of them. We've got Aveeno Baby Lotion, Frida Baby Windy, the gas passer. Ooh, a sample size of Frida baby, which I got the nose Frida at my last baby shower. So I really like the Frida baby brand. There's a nipple cream from Lamentations, another Palmer's body lotion, a pack of Destin's a place in Florida, Desitin, and another thing from Shutterfly, which they probably meant to do the one card. Enjoy 10 free birth announcements using this code. So that's cool. I can use this and then use the $25 off to get more announcements and like a lot of things. Wow, okay. I'm glad I saved baby list. I'm glad I saved them for last because holy crap, that was a lot of stuff. Like, look at this. That's all just from baby list. So definitely worth the fact that I had to spend $10 in shipping, also have someone or myself spend $10 in their store. Way more than a $20 value here. So I am very, very impressed with that. Also, upon further inspection, I realized I opened the baby list box the wrong way. This makes a lot more sense. So I wanted to show you that. All right, guys, so wow, I am very impressed with all of these boxes that we got to unbox today. This was definitely fun and well worth it, and it's been sitting in this nursery for like a month now, just waiting for me to have the time to film it, so I'm glad I did. There were some amazing things in here, and I'm really impressed with those companies that I talked about. The one that I didn't mention was Bye Bye Baby, so I will run through that just really quick because I did not get a chance to go up to the neighboring city, but Bye Bye Baby said you create a registry, you add items, you go in person, and you pick it up based off their availability, much like Target. So if you have a Bye Bye Baby near you, make sure you do that one as well. And then the bonus one that I want to talk about is the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. If you have not heard about it, you definitely need to go look that up. I will leave a link for that as well as everything else down in the description box below for you guys. Dolly Parton has done some amazing things with Imagination Library that she created, and basically what it is you register your baby when they are born, so you do have to remember to do that and wait, but register your baby when they are born, and then every month you will receive a book that is catered to the age of your child for them, addressed to them, which is super cute. So they get mail every month for the first 5 years of their life. So it's 60 books. Reading to your children is very, very important and something that I am super excited to get to do. I have already started a huge library for her here in this room, and I am so excited to register for her for the Imagination Library so she can receive books that are catered to her age. So starting with like some board books, working up to some picture books, and getting more mature in age up to 5. So definitely check out the Imagination Library as well. I think it's a great resource. She has given so much. I think Dolly Parton is amazing, and you should definitely check that out. There's probably a resource in your area to be able to register for it. If not, check on their website. I know that they have gone globally, so make sure that you look at that one as well. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed getting to see what was in these boxes and finding out how easy it is to get them for yourself if you are expecting. If you are, I am so excited for you, Mama. I am praying that your pregnancy is going well and that your baby and you stay healthy and that you can enjoy getting some fun little treats in the mail for not only your baby, but for yourself as well. Make sure you are taking care of yourself along with taking care of your baby, whether you are pregnant or you have already delivered. I can't wait to package all these things up and split them up and give them to some of my friends that are expecting babies here coming up soon as we are preparing for my baby to arrive as well. There will be more content here on this channel as it relates to pregnancy. We are in our 3rd trimester now. I think I already did my 2nd trimester recap. I haven't filmed it yet, but I think it's going to go live before this one, so go check that one out. You can go to the Peanut Baby playlist and watch all of those videos, and I just really appreciate you guys supporting me here on this channel. If you want to support me, you can hit that subscribe button so you can feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. It's something free and easy that you can do that helps me out and shows me that you're supportive. So thank you guys so much. I post videos every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, so I will check back with you guys in another video very soon. Bye, guys.